Hello everyone, it's springtime, my favorite time of the year. You can see my backyard, it's a little bit lonely and so if you can join me in having a little bit of makeover on this. Okay, let's get dirty. So what I'm planning to do here is to have a plant bed, a raised plant bed, 2 steps or 3 steps plant bed, I would say. So I'm preparing the soil and cleaning up a little bit. So now after the cleanup, I already measured the length that I'm going to make, about 10 feet long, 2.5 feet in width. So I'm drilling that initial board, fasten it to the post. So this time I am preparing those boards. By the way, those are cheap materials from the local hardware here. So I am on a budget, so I don't want to spend on expensive lumber. So I got the cheaper ones. So that's the back side of it. Okay, let's cut some lumber. Measure it twice, cut once. Okay, I'm gonna be using this for braces for the plant. When I say get dirty, you're gonna be exposed with those things. Kind of allergic sometimes. I'm putting up the braces here. I'll be using that as my vertical and horizontal brace. I'll attach the horizontal brace there later. What are those? You're right, folks. Empty bags of rice. We collected that over the year. Naubos na. Kain na lahat. Laman. So what I'm going to do here, I am thinking that since this lumber is gonna be exposed to the soil and get the moisture into it, so it's gonna get rotten fast, right? So I'm going to use this a barrier. Let's see if it's going to work. So I'm attaching it, cutting it in half, and then I'm going to put those sheets, bags, all around it. Will it work? I don't know, maybe. And the boxes. Yep. I'll be using this as a weed barrier. Yeah. A cheaper alternative to the ones that you can buy in Home Depot and things like that, right? Yeah. Let's see. I watched this from the YouTube channel as well. So some of the guys using it as a weed barrier. Perhaps it will work here. We'll see. Time to put up the barrier between the first and second step of the plant bed. Okay, time to put up the horizontal brace. You notice that it's wrapped also with moisture barrier, kind of. Napansin niyo po, the rice bag is waterproof. Yeah, try it. Try to put some water into it and see. You'll be surprised if it's going to the water will penetrate or not. Maybe I'm wrong, but I tried it and it seems like there's a waterproofing applied into those rice bags. So on the back side po, between the wall and the fence, I just put up two boards there as a base platform for the rice bags. Yeah, it saved me a little bit on the soil. There's a big distance between the first and second. So yeah, I'm moving this one, and so I'm gonna make another one. I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so sa ngayon, I am collecting some feeding materials to put into the plant bed. Okay? So yeah, those 3 trunks that I cut a long time ago, yeah, it's almost decayed already. So I'm filling it up with those big ones first. Will it fit? No. Okay, that works. There you go. Okay, what's next? Alright, so last fall I collected this leaves from the front check. Yeah, we have this maple tree in the front, and gives me abundant amount of leaves every single time during fall season. Some more organic materials. Oops, not the fast. That's a painted one. Some more twigs. And the sawdust. Yeah, all are filled with organic materials. They said organic farming is good. Okay, good for your health. Let's see. Now it's time to top it up with the garden soil. So this year I'm going to experiment on this. I'm going to put 1 part garden soil and 2 parts garden soil and 1 part cow manure. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. They said 1:1 is better. I'll experiment this time. Let's see. And I'm going to supplement with some other stuff during the growing season. After so many ad bills, this is what I got. Ta-da!